Want to know how to automate your sales emails in Salesflare and save hours of work each week? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how you can streamline your email processes using Salesflare, one of the most efficient CRM tools out there. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to set up email automation so you can focus more on closing deals instead of sending repetitive emails. And the best part, you can try Salesflare completely free with exclusive bonuses through the first link below. So let's dive right in. First off, automating sales emails is one of the best ways to optimize your sales process and engage with leads at scale without the manual effort. Salesflare makes this simple thanks to its smart automation features. To get started, head to the automation section in your Salesflare dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see the Create Automation button. Click that to start a new automation workflow. From here, you can set up triggers like when a new lead is added or when a specific action is taken, such as opening an email or clicking a link. Next, you'll define what action happens after the trigger. Let's say you want to send an email. Select the Send Email option from the list. You can choose from a range of pre-written templates or create your own email from scratch. This is super useful because you can personalize each email with dynamic fields like the lead's name or company, making your messages feel more tailored. The real power of Salesflare's automation is its ability to automatically track and follow up with leads based on their behavior. For example, you can set up a sequence where the first email goes out immediately when a new lead is added, then follow up in 2 days if they haven't responded, and then again a week later if they're still unresponsive. All this happens without you lifting a finger, and don't worry about spamming your contacts. Salesflare's automation features respect your timing and make sure your emails aren't sent too frequently. You can control the pace and customize the waiting periods between emails, ensuring you stay on top of your leads without overdoing it. As you start using these automations, you'll notice that Salesflare also provides valuable insights into how well your emails are performing. You can track open rates, click-through rates, and responses right within your CRM. This allows you to tweak your email sequences over time for better results, making sure your sales emails are always on point. Now, here's a little secret I'm going to share with you. Salesflare also integrates with other tools like Google Calendar, Zapier, and more, which makes setting up automated workflows even more powerful. Whether you want to sync your calendar with your email sequences or automate follow-ups with other marketing platforms, Salesflare allows you to do this seamlessly. Remember, you can use this powerful tool for free from the first link below, where we've secured you an exclusive extended trial, so you can explore all these features yourself. By the way, Salesflare isn't just about automation. It's a complete CRM that helps you manage your contacts, track communication, and get insights on your sales performance, all in one place. The email automation is just one piece of the puzzle, but it's a game changer when it comes to improving productivity and boosting your sales process. So, if you're looking to scale your email outreach and make your sales process as efficient as possible, Salesflare's automation features are a fantastic solution. Don't forget, you can sign up for an exclusive and extended free trial through the link below to start automating your sales emails today. Thanks for watching, and good luck automating those emails.